good! That's 2 friends! We picked up mis amigos and made it to the rainforest! Excelente! Now let's all work together to find map and backpack! Todos juntos! Ahí está!
We need to grab Map before the big wind blows him away. Tap on Map to save him. Whoops, that isn't Map. Whoops, that isn't Map. Whoops, that isn't Map. You caught him. Gracias.
Ahí está! There's backpack at the top of that mountain! We have to take Benny's balloon to get up to her, but there's only room in it for 2. Come on, Boots!
Oh no! Backpack is falling!
We've got to rescue her and get back all her stuff! I've got the perfect charm to help us! A condor! Help me fly the condor down to backpack! Tap anywhere on the screen to help move us side to side. Muy bien! When you see something that fell out of backpack, move us over to pick it up. We got it! All right! Vamos a volar! Let's fly! Fly around branches and rocks in our way. They'll slow us down. We got it! Gotcha! Whee! Cuidado! Grab magical magnets to help us collect more of Backpack's stuff. We've got to move around things in the way. We got it! ¡Qué mágico! We've got to move around things in the way. Over to Backpack to save her. We got her! Muchas gracias.
Is Backpack going to be okay?
Claro, Kate can fix her with our help.
Let's help Kate fix Backpack. Backpack looks better than ever. Thanks for helping. Only one more thing left to do. Great work!
We did it! We rescued Backpack and Map. We couldn't have done it without your help. Gracias.
Thank you.
Tap play again to play with us again. Tap play again to play with us again. Play again. We